All right, let me explain what I got here. Right there is where we enter, and then we drive down the driveway, and then we go inside the hay barn. And that area there is where we'll load cattle. You see the squeeze chute. But what we've got is a front pasture here, and then we've got a back pasture here. So the way we'll do that, we'll open this gate here this way, and then open this gate this way, and the two gates will connect, and it'll force the cows. There'll be panels all the way down through here. So it'll force the cows down this alley right here. And then, by the way, every one of these are gates, and they're going to be holding pens. So once we get the cow down there and we want to separate, we'll bring them back. And then what we'll do, we'll open one of these into the side right here panel, and it'll force the cow to go in here. And then we'll close him up, and they'll have its own little pen there. We've got to finish closing that in on the back side and then down this side here. But each of those will be holding pens. But right now, the cows are going to travel this way to a bud box. And on this post will be a gate that will swing open and close, and it'll close to the corner of this, or it'll swing open. That one can swing to close to this post or swing open. If they're both open, they're going to create a 45 right there. And then this is, we're going to build this with the same wood that we've got over here. We'll use pressure treated 2x6s down through here. Trim the boards. I haven't done that yet. That gives you an idea, a look at the different pins. Between each of those will be those pins. And you go down through here, this is where we can feed the cows, catch them in what we call a bud box. That's going to be a 14-foot gate, the same as that gate. They're going to line up right across from each other, so you can drive straight through the barn if you needed to. But you force the cows through here, and then there's going to be a gate on this post that opens that way, and then this gate will open back out that way to, if you wanted the cows to go down here, and then we'll load them out in that right there if we ever wanted to. Or this is the other part of it, we've got a chute. So with that gate that's tied to this post, it can close all the way to that post there. So there'll be a gate straight across. So we can force the cows down our alley to the squeeze chute, and we do it with this gate right here. This is the one that's going to swing. It's going to look close, but it'll make it. And then it's going to squeeze them, force them in to the chute. Okay, so let's go to the chute. This is headed down the chute. Ducky head a little bit. And this is where we'll take care of our cows. It's hard to do from the front. And then we'll open that, the cows will go in, they'll get their treatment, do whatever we need to do, and then they'll be able to exit. These gates, they open on both sides, so we could let them out either way, but they'll exit out the end, right back into the pasture. So, or they can stay over here on the side, and then we'll load them on a trailer. Or it just gives us a lot of options. this system right here. So anyway, that's our system. It still needs finishing. I'll do a video when I get it finished, but this is our catch system. And separation system. Give you some ideas. And then we'll keep hay in that barn right there. All right.